Hi, everybody. It's Monday evening. It's region weather meteorologist Matt Wintz. I want to give you a quick update without having to do the live, just because this will be a lot quicker for you guys and get you all the information you need. This is on our storm system that's coming on the way Wednesday. There's going to be a lot of wind with it. We've already talked about that. We talked about the warmer side of things, how it's going to be rainy. But there's a couple nuances I want to kind of bring to your attention. So as of this Monday evening, we've got this huge flow of air with the jet stream coming into the western U.S. You can see this is a huge push of energy. This is what's going to help spin up multiple storm systems this week. As we go throughout the day tomorrow, we have a storm system that'll go by with a little bit of snow. All right, this is going to be overnight tonight into the early morning hours tomorrow. And there's a shot we could have a little freezing drizzle once it ends. Tomorrow morning's rush hour a little tricky. I don't think it's going to be a huge deal, but we really have to keep an eye on the potential, at least for a little bit of slick travel on untreated surfaces tomorrow morning. That's out of here. We're windy. We turn mild by afternoon. Should make it up into the mid-30s, so we'll have a little melting going on. And then that wind continues to pick up. This is tomorrow evening. Here comes our second, much stronger storm system out of the north. This one has a lot of wind energy with it. What this will do, it will bring rain and wind to the area tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. So we're waking up Wednesday morning right about here, and the rain has exited. We've got a cold front that will be moving through. And during that time, we'll have falling temperatures as we go throughout the day. Wind will be howling around here on Wednesday, likely gusts over 40, as we talked about in the live broadcast last night. And then right here, this is right in time for that morning rush hour. We're likely to have a few snow squalls around. These are going to be bursts of heavier snow. Might have some grapple mixed in there as well, because there'll be some convective energy with this. But that Wednesday morning rush hour, I want to plant the seed now that it may get a little tricky around here with some bursts of snow, depending on the timing of this. But that's with the secondary kind of little trough that swings through with the system. Once we get beyond that, some snow is possible throughout the day Wednesday with that driving wind. This will be lake effect. Most of it will be settling out towards the east. But overall, very active pattern on Wednesday as that front comes down. And so two things to take away from this broadcast. Tomorrow, again, we're going to keep our eye on for the slight chance of some snow to move through early morning hours, maybe a little freezing drizzle after that. Doesn't look to be a huge deal. Could have some localized issues, though. And then Wednesday morning's rush hour, some snow squalls are possible with strong gusty winds throughout the day Wednesday as that temperature falls. We'll continue to keep you updated, but this is the Monday evening update.